Hey, your next assignment is going to be in Canva. You'll start at canva.com. You always want to sign up with Google, or when you log in, you want to log in with Google. You'll want to click allow when that request for permission comes up. This is just a website that will help you create posters and social media posts and all kinds of things. As you can see, I have used mine to create posters for the library and also things, JPEG files that I can use on our school website, like this one for my Books and Bites. You will start by either choosing one of these designs up here at the top, or you can click Create a Design. And then there's all kinds of different types of things you can create. Social media posts, different presentations, posters, cards, just all kinds of docs, kind of anything you can think of. We are mostly going to be working with social media posts and posters. So I'm going to pick social media post for now. When your new project opens, you can see that it just says social media untitled design. So that's where you can click in, type in whatever you want to call it, click done. This is supposed to automatically save as you work, so you shouldn't have to worry too much. Like this says right here, all changes saved. So you shouldn't have to worry about saving too much. There's up here, you can search for any type of image. So I'll type dog. And you can see that it'll bring up pictures, different kinds of clip art. You'll notice though that all these, like down here in the corner, say $1 USD. That means that if you want to use that image, it will cost you $1 to pay for the copyright for that image. In class, we always want to try to find things that are free so that we can download it without having to pay anything. So you can search, you can click to find different layouts that you like. So if you find one of these that you like the looks of, you can click it and then it'll put those things in there for you. And you can change the background and you can change the words and all that. You can also click elements here, which will bring up if it would click for me. Okay, there it was. So the elements are, it'll be a different layouts. There's a spot for frames and shapes and lines, illustrations and icons. You can even add charts in, and this is where you would do that. If this would load, there we go. So you can pick out photos that are free. If you want your project to have different grids where you can have, different photos, you can just click frames. If you want to have like a grid with different frames in there. Let's see what else. Oh, apparently there's a lot of frames. There's shapes, there's lines. What was this? This must be icons. There's charts. if you want to put different type of charts in there. Here's your text where you can drag over if you want to put different text in. Like when you pick your text, you can just type in there whatever you want. And you can see that I can drag this. Oop, there it was. Drag it wherever I want. I can highlight it. I can change the size. I can change the type of font. I can make it bold. I can change the color. This will give you whether it's left aligned, center aligned, or right aligned. You can choose if you want a bulleted list. Text spacing means how much room is in between the letters. You can have a lot of room or a little bit of room. And then the line height is how much room is in between each line of text. So you can change that up. You can also change your background colors. You can have plain colored backgrounds, or you can choose a pattern background. Again, some of those are free. If you scroll down farther, there will be some that start costing money. Again, we don't want to use those because we won't be able to download your projects. But when you click that, it'll change that up. You can click upload, and you can see I have uploaded some pictures from the internet there. So you can open up files from your Chromebook or your Google Drive to upload, so you can add those to your project. But this should be an easier way for you to create posters and different kind of text pictures than what we did in Google Docs. It's a little more free. When you finish a project, you can click download, and usually I save it as a JPEG. If I want to upload it to my library website to use as a picture on there, or if I'm printing a poster, I click PDF where it says print, because that'll give you the best quality print. And then you click download, and it will save to your Chromebook, and then you'll have to put it in your Google Drive. But that is kind of the basics of Canva. You really just have to kind of play around with it and see what you can do.